In this video, we're going to learn how to add black video, which means inserting a solid black clip into your timeline. Black video is useful when you want a clean black screen for titles, transitions, dramatic pauses, or fade effects. Let's start. Go to the project panel. At the bottom of the project panel, click on the new item icon. From the list, choose black video. A settings window will appear. Inside that window, you'll see options like width and height, which represent the resolution, and you'll also see the frame rate. Usually, you can leave the default settings as they match your sequence. Click OK. Now, you'll see a new black video clip appear in your project panel. Drag this black video clip onto your timeline wherever you need it. You can trim its duration just like a normal clip by dragging its edges. But if you want to place text over a black background, simply put the black video on a lower video track and add text on a track above it. And that's it. You now know how to add black video easily in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.